There are many theories about One Piece out there, but one of the most important and main theory, and many people are thinking that this theory might come true, is the theory where Shanks will die in One Piece. One of the main themes of One Piece has always been inherited will, and for those of you who have seen popular theories will understand how strong the argument is. The greatest symbol of concept is famous Straw Hat, which was passed down from Goldie Roger to Shanks and finally to Luffy. Luffy's goal of being the Pirate King is also tied to proving the Shanks that he will be the great person and returning the hat to him when the goal is accomplished. Many people believe that when the Luffy will return the hat to Shanks, that will be one of the final scenes of One Piece. However, I don't think Shanks will be there for that pitch. Shanks is hands down one of the most powerful characters currently in world of One Piece. But there are a couple of reasons why he wouldn't be there around till the end. One reason is the story of One Piece is heavily focused on the older generations making way for the generations of the future. This can be seen with the supernovas making names for themselves, trying to take out Yonko and very possibly taking their positions. And also with the Navy where the old generation of Garp and Sengoku have stepped aside, letting the next generation of admirals proceed onward. And that's why it is very likely that Shanks will not be a Yonko while Luffy is being a pirate king. Shanks is too powerful to be an ally to Luffy in the grand scheme of things. If Luffy faces adversity like at Marineford, there is always chance that Shanks can show up and save the day. That does not seem like something Oda would want for his protagonist who is trying to be a king of pirates. Another reason is Luffy is currently not strong enough to be a pirate king and need another push to get more powerful. The initial push was not being strong enough to save his brother S, which propelled Luffy to who he is now. However, his current strength is not enough to take on Yonkos. With the death of Shanks to a rival like Blackbeard, Luffy gains even more hatred of Blackbeard and the kick he needs to get even more powerful and be the king of the pirates. Shanks has already shown how dangerous he believes Blackbeard could be, and the mark on his face is the proof of that. Based on these some reasons, I think that Shanks will be dying by the hands of Blackbeard, and that will be provoking Luffy to be the king of pirates, and the Blackbeard will be dying with the hands of course, Luffy. It is highly likely that Shanks will be dead before Luffy gets a chance to give the hat back. There are people who believe that Luffy would return the hat at the funeral for Shanks, but many people believe something else. This comes back to the themes of inherited will and moving from generations to generation. Luffy was motivated to be who is he is by being around Shanks. Shanks eventually became a Yonko after originally being a rookie pirate under the former Pirate King, and something has to continue this going forward to the next generation. I believe that once the secret of One Piece is revealed, Luffy will become Pirate King and the Straw Hat pirate journey will be over. The Straw Hat will separate and returning for their individual homes. Waiting for Luffy back at Fusha village is Makino and her child. The child will look up to Luffy and the Luffy will take interest in him too. The one of the most craziest and famous theory out there is that the child is Shanks and Makino's son, mainly because Oda answered someone's question in the SBS by saying that Makino's child is probably that person. Many people see particular things as they like, and that's why they create their own theories. We never know the secrets unless Oda actually decides to reveal his secrets about One Piece. Luffy will notice the resemblance of the child with the Shanks and remember his promise to his former idol. He will pass the Straw Hat to this child and pass on his will to the future generation, assuming that this child is also Shanks' son. It will be a heartfelt movement that will provide much needed closure. But most of it leaves that open-ended finish for imaginations to go wild about future generations in the amazing world that we all spend years reading or watching. And as Oda has already said, if the ending of One Piece is too predictable, he will change the One Piece. I have already made a video about top 10 theories about One Piece. So if you would like to watch that video, you can click the I button in the right upper corner. I cover all of the top 10 theories about One Piece in that video. Some of the theories are absolutely crazy and some of the theories might be true. And so yeah, that was the video guys. I would be really sad about whenever the One Piece is going to end, because I have been watching this anime from so long and I am just too much connected to this anime, and of course eventually it is going to come to an end and I will be really sad at that moment. But of course anything that starts has to end sometime. So if you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, comment down below what are your thoughts about this theory, And disclaimer about this video that this theory is not mine. I have taken this theory from One Piece fan pages. This is not my personal made theory. So that's it, and if you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I daily post anime content, anime reviews, recommendations, top 10, top 5 listings, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that's it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.